Unwrap the deals, understanding weekend sale. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a phrase you've probably seen quite often, weekend sale. If you're curious about what it means and how to use it, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in and discover the deals behind these words. Weekend sale refers to special promotions or discounts offered by stores or online retailers that typically run during the weekend. The word weekend points to the end of the week, usually Saturday and Sunday, when most people are off work. Sale indicates a period when items are offered at reduced prices. Together, they describe a time-limited shopping event that offers great value for money. Retailers often choose the weekend for these sales because that's when people have free time to shop. It's a strategy to attract more customers who are looking for good deals. For shoppers, it's a chance to purchase items at a lower price than usual, making it a win-win situation. To make the most out of a weekend sale, here are some tips. Plan ahead. Know what you want to buy to avoid impulse purchases. Compare prices. Look at different stores to find the best deals. Check the timing. Some sales start on Friday and extend to Monday. I hope this video has helped clarify what a weekend sale is all about. Remember, it's not just about the discounts, but also about being a smart shopper. Happy learning, and even happier shopping. Until next time, keep exploring and expanding your English vocabulary.